Welcome back to my new video. This video, we are going to look at how we can create a new column out of existing column. Okay, so I'm going to steal this code and then create a new file, which I'm going to call 05-creating new column. Okay, I'm going to paste the new code here and then I'm going to say main. Then I'm going to call the table orders dot add columns. And then within that, I'm going to say orders dot revenue. And then I'm going to multiply that by 0.5. And then I'm going to alias that. Let me see. Yeah, alias. Let me see. So let me do it this way. Let me call and then pass in the name, then multiply by 0. Let's call it 0.575 dot alias. Then we call it, let's call it discount. Okay. So once we do that, we can say dot execute and then new line dot print. Okay, so basically this is how you can create a new column out of existing column. So we select the revenue column, multiplied by 0.75, give it a new name called discount, execute it, and then print it. So this is how we create. Very simple, very straightforward. Let me document it. Adding new column. Okay, so that is that. So let's run this and see what the results looks like. Yeah, PyFlink is very interesting. And like you see the discount column. So 750, 2,250, 1,500. Okay, so this is how you create new column out of new columns. Okay, so you could also use the SQL API, but we are not going to do that in this video. Okay, so with the SQL, you use as the alias. Okay, so we'll look at all of that, but this is just a simple strategy we want to look at by adding new column to existing column. Okay, so with this, you can even write the output to a new table or to a file or to sync it to whatever you want to put the results. So we'll look at all these things. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.